Hey guys, it's Dawn here, and I have a baby project. So whenever you have a main project, then sometimes these little baby projects pop out. My main project today is I've got to install some solar panels for my security system, and my baby project that came out of it is I have my tools, and my two most used tools ever is my impact driver, Makita impact driver, one of my favorites, and then the other one is a power driver, power screwdriver. So I don't have that one over here. But here's the thing: both of these I have installed these little hooks, these belt hooks on them, right? And then the problem is when I am up on a ladder, I have these two tools and I have nowhere to put them. So here is a solution. Some ladders come with this solution, some don't. So if I have two ladders here that don't have, so I'm going to make it have. Here, let me show you. All right, so these are the two ladders I'm going to be working on today. They're just little ladders, and up here there's no slots, and I just need a slot so that I can hook this onto. So I created a slot, and now you will be able to just hook this right into there and it'll be able to hang. And I need two slots, one for my impact driver and one for my power drill. And so I'm gonna make another slot here. How I'm making, see the slot? And you know me, I don't care about it looking pretty, I just need it functional. I'm starting it with my Dremel, and then I am finishing up with the oscillating tool. You don't need to do it with the oscillating tool. You can just do it with the Dremel. But I don't know, I like using my tools. And then I just have this in order to scrape off, because I'm melting the plastic. Melted plastic, and melted plastic is sticky. Ooh, this is actually stuck. Is sticky and very hot, and you guys know me, I burn myself all the time. So instead of scraping off the melted plastic with my hand, which I actually did earlier because that's just me, I then got a little smarter and grabbed this, and it just needs to be that big. It just needs to be big enough to where you can take this and then slide it onto there, and then it'll just hang, and it's so much nicer. Now I do know that these holes at the top, you can just stick this in there and then have it hang too, but that's I don't like that. I did it personally. For me, I don't like that. I like this option better. Hanging it like this makes me feel very secure. And then when I have two of this, one on this side and one on this side, and when it's centered, it'll keep the ladder still balanced and everything like that. And like I said, you know, not all ladders come with the slot feature. So if it doesn't, I'm just going to very easily add the slot feature for both of them. All right, putting on my safety goggles, because hot plastic bits in the eyeballs also sucks. I know from experience. So I'm not working against this. There we go. Much easier. This. so my oscillating tool just has more reach to get all the way to the back and through this area. All right. Let's see. Perfect. That's all it needs to be. Now I can hang 2 power drills right on here. So that's it. Baby project done. Yay.